Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add poll everywhere to your PowerPoint presentations. Now, there's a bunch of detail that you need to know, which I'll share with you at the end of this video. So stick out until then and let's get into it. So connecting poll everywhere, first of all, involves having to download the app to connect it to PowerPoint. So let's go first of all to polleverywhere.com, and right on this page, before you've even signed up or logged in, you can travel all the way down. And at the bottom of the page, you'll see there is the desktop integrations. You want to go and have a look for PowerPoint. Now, once you click on it, you'll see here is the exe file. Okay, so it is now being downloaded and we're going to click on it. Once we've clicked on it, you will be prompted with the setup. We're going to go ahead and click on install, and then this should take a few seconds to install. Once it's done, you will just click on finish and your installation will be complete. Now, if you've already logged in to Poll Everywhere, and let's say that you're on the home page and you've used it, but now you want to integrate it with your PowerPoint. Let's go from the left all the way down to where you see your profile, and let's click on this. And once you're in profile, you are going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and again you'll find the desktop apps, and you're going to click on PowerPoint and follow the same procedure to install it. Now, the very next thing we want to do is go to our desktop and we want to open PowerPoint. Now, upon opening PowerPoint for the first time, whilst the integration or the installation has been done, you will find that you may get a pop-up to install the add-on. If you don't, you can just simply go into a blank presentation, and you will find right over here at the top in your ribbon, there will be a poll everywhere. Okay, so now we can start adding polls to our PowerPoint presentation. You can either insert right over here, or you can create new polls. So let's go and create a new poll, and here you can go, and once you've clicked on launch login window, which will allow you to just sync your account. So this basically just means that it's wanting to use the same account in PowerPoint as what you are using otherwise. So as you can see, here we are, and you can now start creating your slides, and this will now be for your new poll. Now, in presentation mode, you are going to, once you complete, go and you are going to click on slideshow, and you are going to present your slides, and you will have your polls within your slides active. If you are going onto Zoom and you need to share your screen, make sure that you're not just sharing your PowerPoint presentation, because you run the risk of not actually sharing the interactive poll. What you'll need to do is share your screen, which will mean everything that you are seeing, whoever is part of your presentation will see that too, and this means that the Poll Everywhere polls will be included. One other thing to note is that this is only possible on the desktop app. If you are in fact using the online version of PowerPoint, you will not be able to use Poll Everywhere.